Let us now study torque acting on a bar magnet in a uniform magnetic field. Okay, so let's go to the picture here. So we have two magnets here. Okay, two very big magnets. They produce a uniform magnetic field. They are parallel to each other. Then we have another small bar magnet here. Okay, so this is the north pole. This is south pole of the magnet. We'll mark this midpoint as O. This is N, and this point is S. The length between O and S is L. Okay, and the distance between O and N is also L only. Okay, so we can see that north pole will repel each other, and north pole and south pole will attract. Okay, similarly opposite for that one also, for south pole. So we can see that there is a force on the north pole. Okay, like this way, and there is a force on the south pole, that is Fs, like this way. Okay, you must find what's both the forces here. Let's see now force on the north pole. Okay, that's equal to Qm, the dipole moment. Okay, into B, the magnetic field B. This is a force on the north pole right here. That's Qm into B vector. Okay, same way, we have here Fs vector. Okay, that is equal to Qm into B, but you can see it's in opposite direction now. So write the word minus sign. Okay, it goes opposite to the magnetic field. So that's be equal to minus Qm into B. The minus sign is very, very important. Okay, so let's see the total force here, the net force. Okay, that will be equal to Fn north pole, force on north pole plus force on the south pole. That will be equal to, yeah, see when you add these two, we get here 0. So that is 0 vector. We can also say it's null vector also. Now let us see what's the torque there. Okay, so torque means turning effect we learned. Okay, so torque is equal to force and displacement we learned, but you can rearrange and write also as displacement into force. Okay, so let us see this now. Torque here, torque is a vector quantity. Now you see there are two torques here, top and down. Okay, so this one On into Fn vector. So On, that is the distance here, vector into or cross Fn, force on the north pole. Okay, this one term plus, okay, this is a plus term, don't think the multiplication, plus this one Os into Fs. Okay, Os vector in or cross Fs vector. Let's substitute the values here. So On vector cross Fn. Instead of Fn, what we have here? We have here Qm into B. Okay, vector plus Os, instead of Os, okay, right as it is, Os vector cross, so Fs, what we have here? Fs we have here minus Qm into B. Okay, so this 10 things are there. Now we also know that we know the term here, that's A vector cross B vector. Okay, A vector cross B vector. Okay, we see that will be AB sin theta we learned now. So same way we find that magnitude of A vector, that means, okay, magnitude of A vector into magnitude of B vector into sin theta. Okay, so we're going to substitute this term here. Okay, so substitute here in this formula. So when you substitute, what we have is On, okay, magnitude of On, okay, this formula, into magnitude of QMB, okay, plus this term, and the sin theta is there now, sin theta, okay, plus the second term, that is magnitude of Os vector into magnitude of minus QMB vector into sin theta. Okay, so this, and left side also you must take modulus now, so torque, so it becomes a thing without modulus. Okay, or without magnitude, we just get a component we get. So now we get here torque tau is equal to On. Okay, On, you can see that from the picture, it is L. Okay, QMB you write as it is QMB sin theta plus, okay, Os is also is L only. So we get here L into, and when you take magnitude, the minus sign will go away. So we get here QMB, and then we also get sin theta. Okay, it's not clear. So we see the two terms are like terms, so we can add them. Okay, so we get here 2LQMB sin theta. Okay, but we also know that one thing, that is the dipole moment PM is equal to 2QML. Okay, this term we learned now. Okay, we learned this. So let's substitute here instead of this term. Okay, we write as PM. Okay, so Pm into B into sine theta. Okay, this gives us a torque here. Okay, is it clear to here now? Then next what we do, we'll try to write in vector format. Okay, so let me rub this. Rub all this up to here. Okay, now see, I'll write this term here on top. Okay. Torque tau is equal to PMB sine theta. Okay, I written on top the same equation. Now we see that A vector cross B vector. Okay, that formula what we get here, AB sine theta. Okay, this is another way of expressing that whole equation. Okay, now what do is we have here A, this term we write as A. Okay, we can write as think it as if A B sine theta. So we get A vector cross B vector now. So same way we get here torque tau is equal to PM vector cross B vector. Okay, so we have used this formula here. So you can use this formula on top, or else you can also use the second term here now. Okay, so we have get two formulas for the torque acting on a bar magnet in a uniform magnetic field. Okay, let's go through the steps here. It's a very simple concept only. Okay, thank you for watching.